Hey there, HVAC techs. Today, I'm diving into 5 costly refrigeration blunders you need to avoid. These tips could save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Let's get right into it. Mistake number 1, overcharging the system. Too much refrigerant can lead to high pressure, compressor damage, and inefficient cooling. Always use the manufacturer's guidelines and a reliable set of gauges to measure accurately. Next up, mistake number 2, ignoring airflow. Blocked or restricted airflow can cause coils to freeze and systems to overheat. Regularly check and clean filters, fans, and coils to keep that air moving smoothly. Mistake number 3, skipping the vacuum process. Moisture and air in the system can create acids leading to corrosion and component failure. Always use a high-quality vacuum pump to evacuate the system before charging. Fourth on our list is misdiagnosing electrical issues. Faulty wiring and connections can mimic refrigerant problems. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage, continuity, and secure connections to pinpoint electrical faults accurately. Finally, mistake number 5, neglecting proper training and updates. The HVAC industry is always evolving with new technologies and regulations. Stay ahead by attending workshops, getting certified, and keeping up with the latest industry standards. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can make a huge difference in the efficiency and longevity of your refrigeration systems. Remember, a little attention to detail goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more HVACR training tips. Stay cool, techs.